Hi and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you another web development project which me and my team made. Basically, we are the designer as well as developer of the website. The images was provided to us by the client. The client contacted us from Alabama or and Louisiana. In one of these places they have their headquarters as well. You can basically the website they contacted us that they have their business located in both of these cities and they want to make a website so that they can create money online, and they people can contact them online, and they contacted us and we developed it. And you can see that they are earning around like more than hundreds of thousands of dollars every month. So it is a successful business after they made website through us. And let's start from the hero section of this website. The images which you can see on the background, we basically designed it and we basically circled it. The image was taken from given to us by the client. We can add it ourselves as well if you don't have your images and if you want us to work on your project. But the design was given to us, was already and fully made by us. These are the companies they have worked with. You can see all of the companies who are working with them right now. So if I scroll down, you can see that the all services is section provide us what services that does the client provide. So basically they fix leak repair from the roof repair, metal roofing, roof replacement, wall panel installers, new roof construction. So whenever we design or develop any website, basically we ask client what their website is about. They provide us detail. For example, we are not a roofing expert. We are designer as well and developer of web apps and mobile apps. So how would you know? So basically all of these things were provided to us by the client, and some of these long text are also provided us by the client, but we did SEO for the client. So SEO basically search engine optimization. So they can, for example, if someone type roofisolution.com on Google or search for stuff related to it, they can see it on the Google search on the first page. So basically this is the website. They provide if you can see, this is a map. They provide services in these section. They are working for 19 years, 100 plus general contractors serve 75 plus cities, 5,000 plus projects completed. It is a lot of projects, you can see, because this kind of work can take up to months to one project can take up to months to complete. So it is a lot of projects which this company has already done, and we are the designer and developer for it. So if I scroll down furthermore, you can see that why do you will you choose them. There is a section here from the recent clients. You can see big companies, big companies in America have basically purchased their services and they have done work for them. You can check their blogs as well. If I scroll down, you can check get a free estimate, and there at the bottom it has a footer. If I click on get a free estimate, you can put your name, email, phone number, message, and they you can submit their request, or you can contact them on any of these details. And if you need their services, you can contact them. If you want us to make any of your website, you can contact us on a WhatsApp in the description below with country code is +92. One thing I like to mention here is that if you want to work with us, one thing I'll mention here is that you will have to send us advance payment. We only work on advance payment because we have a lot of projects in queue. If you cannot send advance payment, please do not contact us. And if you want us to convert your dream or your idea into reality, or your dream into reality, you can contact us and we will develop your mobile and web apps. We will first design it and then we will develop it after you have approved the design. So basically this is how we work. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see such more amazing projects, you can subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.